everyone. This is Jodi from Imperative Education. Welcome to your Mindfulness 101 Body Scan Meditation. Now, before we begin, I just want you to think about mindfulness and meditation in this way if you haven't yet thought about it. And that's that we are always in our heads. We're always thinking, watching, observing, reading, scrolling, talking, reacting. There's so much going on. And on top of that, we're supposed to be learning, right? Because you're students. So it's really hard. You're feeling like your brain is just going, and that you can't quite control it. And that's the way it is to be alive. But I'm here to tell you, with mindfulness and this meditation, you're going to find that you start to gain control over your thoughts, at least in choosing the thoughts which better serve you for the day or for the night. So this meditation isn't just calming down and de-stressing, it's also gaining more control over our negative self-talk. And if you've been enjoying some of the other lessons, then you know that one of the big topics that I like to talk about is negative self-talk and how we can gain control of it. Well, mindfulness is one way. Let me start by saying thoughts are just thoughts, they're not truths. And feelings come from thoughts and how we're perceiving this world. And then we react. And then we say things maybe that we're not so happy with. So you got to know that you do have control, at least to be able to observe the thought and then decide, is this working for me or not? So meditation helps you do that and gain control in these areas. Plus, it helps with your memory. It helps with feeling less stressed in your body, holding tension in your body parts, as you're going to see when we do this. And it helps you focus in school and in life better. So basically, it's brain training. You know, you work out, you exercise your muscles, and then you get stronger. Same with the brain. Think of it that way. So what I'd like you to do is grab a piece of paper or a journal, etc., something to write with, and just set it beside you. Find a place to sit where you won't be disturbed, where you can relax. You could sit on a couch, you could sit on a chair, you could sit on the floor, which I really like to do, on a pillow. Then I want you to make sure you're dressed comfortably, have a little sip of water or something, and get yourself ready to work with yourself so that you can learn how to gain better control of your thoughts and your emotions and your life. The other thing is, please turn off your phone unless you're watching meditation on the phone, but otherwise turn off your notifications so that you're not disturbed. Now I'd like everybody to just gently, so now you've done all that, maybe you've paused the video for that, and I just want you to sit down and roll your shoulders a few times and starting to focus on your breath, okay? Already you're starting to feel different. And now you could either practice with eyes closed, relaxed, or you could look ahead of you at a spot on the floor or something, ahead of you, a plant, something that just relaxes you and isn't too complicated to look at. But if you can, close your eyes and listen to this. Inhale your breath and imagine your breath moving down your body. Notice right away how you're thinking. Totally normal. Don't judge yourself. Go back to focusing on your breath. Let's focus on our feet for now and feel our feet breathing, if you can imagine that. Feel the sensations in your feet. Feel the pings and the tingles. And let's move the air and the attention up your legs, into your shins, calves. And imagine sending the breath to those areas to relax that part of your body right now. Move your attention up to your quads, hamstrings, and just feel everything being filled by relaxing breath, cleansing it, relaxing it. Let it go. Move your attention up to your stomach. Just feel your stomach loosening, relaxing, not gripping, just breathing and taking in the air, releasing the air, in and out, in and out. Move your attention up your chest. Feel your chest expanding with each breath, contracting as you exhale. If you're thinking and planning, that's okay. It's normal. Gently persuade your attention back to your breath and your chest as you breathe. Move your attention to your shoulders and let them slide down your back. Inhaling and exhaling. Feel how expansive your back feels when you really send the air into that area. Stay with it as you move your attention from your shoulders down your arms. Slowly, slowly sending the breath from your shoulders all the way to your hands. Letting go. Drawing your attention back to your arms and your hands. Breathing in, breathing out. Doing the best you can to relax. Move your attention to your face. Feel the space between your eyebrows widening. Feel your jaw relaxing. Your tongue rests at the bottom of your mouth. Feel like you're breathing into your hair follicles and that everything is letting go. Breathe the air into your whole body now. If you're thinking yet again, that's normal. No judgment. Back to breathing into your whole body. Gently open your eyes don't move very fast right now. Give yourself a few moments before you write to just continue to relax and notice how you feel after just 10 minutes. I'd like you to think of meditation, mindful moments of awareness throughout your day, as a chance to move from your thoughts down into noticing the sensations of your body. And you could do it when you're walking outside. You could do it when you're sitting in a chair. You could do it any time. When you move from doing one thing to the next, give yourself a chance to just breathe and notice and take a mental break, if only for a few seconds. What's going to happen is that over time, you're going to notice a big difference in the way you feel. And developing a practice like this at a younger age is definitely going to positively impact your life moving forward. We exercise our body. Let's exercise our brains by giving them a break and training them to focus on what we want them to focus on. And in meditation, it's the breath. And in life, it might be something you're studying or a conversation you'd like to have. For all of your needs, that brain could serve you well, but you have to work for it too and take the time to breathe and de-stress and meditate. I hope you've really enjoyed it. And now go to your pen and paper and let the pen write. Don't think. Don't worry about grammar, punctuation, vocabulary. Don't worry. Just let the pen write and let it just record what you're noticing about how you feel now after this meditation. And I wish you a mindful, calm, and totally joyful day. Have a fabulous day or evening, everyone. Thank you for watching.